Hi guys, it's Tasha. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the crib. For my returning positive subscribers and supporters, welcome back. Come on in and get comfortable. Guys, I am trying to organize this stuff right here. And these are a bunch of thin dies. Wafer dies, thinlets, framelets, whatever you want to call them. They're all like this. And I have a few like this. I got to find out where they are and figure out what I'm going to do with them. But I need to organize these. And this is how I had them at first. This is the second one of these. It had gotten so heavy that it actually broke the rings in it. And see how I have them on these magnetic sheets. And I just got them in here. And so that's that one. But when I took them out of the original one, I had to put them into two more. And these, by the way, are the little binders from the Target dollar spot. Even though this one has this LOL in there, it shouldn't be in there, but that's where I want to keep it at for right now. And see, it has a wafer die here. And then this one also has another stamp. But these are the majority of my stamps, not stamps, my dies that I got from Aliexpress. And here's the other one. See, yeah, and a lot of these, except this right here is actually, ooh, sorry, this is actually a height swap die. But a lot of these are from Ali, and then these are the, I think, what is it, Sizzix ones? I think they're Sizzix. That's a height swap one. Those are AliExpress. And this is the one that I picked up a couple of, was it last night or my last haul from Tuesday morning. It's the bag die. So I have to figure out what to do with these. I'm thinking I want to put all of the words together, and then maybe all of the decorative edges like these right here, put those all in one together, and maybe the flowery ones. So I got tags here, and there's still a few in here that are not here. Even this thing, I'm gonna leave this in its original package though, but I'm gonna see if I can get it into a binder. Sorry, a binder that will fit it. So this is going to be my project for probably the next few days. I don't know if I should keep some of the information. Like, should I cut out like Crafter's Companion and keep all the Crafter's Companion dies together? I don't know. I'm going to figure it out. So I want you guys to hang tight and let me see what I can figure out. Okay, after about an hour, this is what I'm looking like. All this stuff over here, let me pick the camera up. All that is waste. All this is all packaging that's going to the trash. And this is what the combination of those two bins look like. So now I have them here. I was able to I put some of them together that I could put together, and then some of them were just like, okay, just put them here. And actually, I was getting kind of tired anyway. But this is what they're looking like. Let me push the camera down a little bit so you guys can see. Okay. It's like right here, which just makes sense to put the numbers with these things right here. So a lot of them are kind of like that. Like these are all flowers. That's a big flower, and I put the instructions to that on the back of the thing back here. See right here, and some of them how it looks. So I have that, and like these are all Bow Bunny, and just like I say, some random ones. And I didn't have anywhere else to put them. These are all words. All words, well, except for those, that 2 and that 5. But it actually goes with this one. If I had the Christmas one, then, you know, that would be cool. These are all of those Crafter's Companion dies. The what, I don't even know what you call them, the borders, yeah, those things. And this is just that packet of circles, and that's how it fell on the packet, so I just left it. This was an envelope that I had, and I think I even got that one from Hobby Lobby when they were on clearance. And then here's more of those Crafters Companion dies. Now what's left, let's roll up this way. What's left are these. And these, well, this one right here, it has instructions on the back. So that's why I'm going to leave this one for a minute. But these right here have dies and stamps. So what I'm going to do is try to figure out something to do with those, or just leave them in this to see how it works. But these right here are going to have to get a notebook, and I'm going to put those in a notebook and be done with that one. So, oh, wait a minute. And you know these, let me move some of this out the way. You know, like this one already, well, this is one of the first ones I done. And this one already has its magnet. And this one too. I already have their magnet, so they will stay. I mean, they'll stay in their packages, the original packaging, but they'll get put inside of a notebook. Okay, I got these 3 left, and actually I went on and did these first 2, but I need about 8 more of these half sheets to fit in here, so I can get these done. I'm not going to put any more in this one, because it is heavy enough. And actually this is the second one like this one, because the first one broke. It was so heavy that the rings actually broke in. So I won't make the next one, I won't make this one or any of the other ones that heavy. So I'm going to cut one of these in half. And let's see, and this is the sheet here. Let me raise the camera a little bit. There we go. So I'm going to measure this first. Let me see how long this thing is. What is that? 10 and a half? Is that 10 and a half? No, that's 10 and a quarter. So it's not quite 11 inches. Well, it's a long way from 11, really. So that's about 10 and a quarter inches. So what's that? 4 and some change. 4 and what? 4 and 3/4 maybe inches. I'm gonna fold it, pinch it. I just folded it and pinched it right there. So let's just cut right there and see how it's gonna work. Let me bring it down this way. It looks about right. Should be close enough anyway. Yep, close enough. So I'm gonna do this about, I need 3 more sheets that I need to cut in half just like this. And I'm not gonna make y'all watch that. So hold on. Okay, I've got those done. Let me pick up, let's see. Let's do this one. And I'm only going to do a few because it's just putting these on these sheets. And I'm not going to even try to categorize any of these. I'm just taking them out and putting them on. And this is liable to change at any time. So it's nothing permanent. Just getting them on here. There we go. Oh, I forgot this one. But it's okay. I got more. I may even go back at some later date. As a matter of fact, I have to do a cut of this with you guys really soon. I went back and watched the video on how to cut that out and make the bowl. So I'm going to make that bowl really soon. Let's see, we'll just put that one in here. May have to put some in a bigger one, like these, because oh, look at these. I forgot all about these. Well, I didn't forget about them, but yeah, I got these doily dies, and I don't think those are going to fit on one anyway. Not all of them anyway. Yeah, see, I can get maybe 3 on one. No, not exactly, unless I stack it like that. I have to stack it like that to get them there. But I would prefer to have them all on one, but you know, and I usually just put one per sheet, one sheet in each protector. So I'm going to need more. That's just all it is too. I still have all these dies. I'm just going to need more. Yeah. Okay, but that's what I'm going to do with these. And hopefully I'll have enough and I'll be back. Okay, so right now I got additional dies. You know, I said I won't put any more in this because this was already super heavy. I got a few more dies in here. So they're those ones. And those. I thought these dies were going to be bigger. They're super duper small. They're the doilies. So I'm going to try to get several more. And I just got to get some more sheet protectors. And this one too. This one is just about max to me. But I got the ones in here. And I have some on the back, front and back. Which I don't particularly like doing. But I have to make it do what it do right now. I got 4 more of the larger sheets left, like these right here. I got 4 more of these left. But I still have these dies to go. And this is not all. I have some more somewhere. I got to find them. But there's 3 in here that you guys haven't seen. You've seen these. But you haven't seen these. Right, this set right here. So I need to do a video on this set right here. And then put them all up or whatever. So yeah, this is a process. Have mercy, it's a process. But I got to find those other dies that I'm missing. Okay guys, and that's going to be it for right now anyway. I'd like to thank you for taking time out of your day to watch this video. If you haven't, I would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe to this channel. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. All your comments are truly appreciated. Come back anytime and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye, love bugs.